I'll be adding another test. What is water quality? I want to make this heading 1 as well. Other thing to also notice that once you type something like this, you can click enter and just continue typing instead of clicking the content block. Now I'm going to bring in swipe back to your content block, then click the swipe. It helps you to differentiate between two things. So it will give me the option to bring in 2 images, and it can be map as well or express map. So for this one, you're going to be using image. I'm going to browse my file, open, add. Also, because I added image here, I'm left with the option of bringing image here. I can't bring any other thing apart from image here as well. So I'm going to click on image here too, browse to my file, open, then add it. So it says the size does not match. For the best experience, you should use image of the same size as size or aspect ratio. So when you have this issue, for this one is showing because it's still kind of suitable, but sometimes when you have image that is too big, you have to resize it for you to be able to bring it in. So what this swipe is used for is to show the difference between two things. So in this tutorial, I'm trying to show the difference between polluted water versus clean water. For this caption, I'm going to write polluted water versus clean water to help my reader to understand that I'm trying to make a difference between a polluted water and a clean water. So one thing about this is that you can swipe right or swipe left just to show the difference. And also you can make it medium. See, it's bigger. You can make it wide, depending on how you want it. And you can also, and one thing about this again is that sometimes we bring in an image that is big. If you want it to fit in, see the difference, to help you to show the whole picture. So that is the use of swipe. Now I'm going to use the test button again to type in another thing. Here I can't just type because there's no word there, so I had to click on this content block and to bring in my text and type. And I want to also highlight this to make it heading 1. And I'm going to briefly type something under it. So now I just put why is water quality important. I want to add a video to explain why water quality is important, a kind of video just to show an introduction to water quality. So for me to do that, I'm going to click on my content block. I said I want to add a video, right? So I'm going to come to video. This is video, and I'll click on video. So it will tell you to browse to your file like usual, and it will give you the option to add a link as well. For the purpose of this one, I'm going to use a link. There's a link I have for my video, the YouTube link that I want to add. So instead of me browsing through my file, I'm going to add a link this time for my video. Add a link, and once you added the link, you can click add, and boom, my video is loaded. It's all about using swipe in StoryMap and adding a video to StoryMap.